Yeah, actually, I started to learn this language for September 2024. Now it has been September, October, November. It has been 4 months. I have been learning this language. Yeah, and before 4 months, I couldn't able to speak 2 or 3 sentences in English. After practicing 4 months, now I can able to speak a little bit of English. I can make conversation. I can express my feeling. I can explain everything in English. And I when I was beginner at that time, I watched so many video in English. I watched English conversation, English related content, and every day I practice with myself, and every day I wrote something on my note. In this way I learned this language. How are you doing?
I am fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. So brother, as we meeting first time, would I know a little bit about yourself?
Okay, my name is Lalu Paswan, and I am a teacher. That's all about me.
Okay, that's really nice. You are a teacher. Which subject do you teach?
I teach English subject.
Okay. So are you teach at school or at your home?
In the school, I teach English subject, and at the home also I teach classes. I teach all the subjects at my home.
Okay. So how long have you been teaching at school?
I have been teaching in school since 2021.
2021. Okay, so it has been 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you completed your graduation?
No, I haven't completed my graduation due to some reason. I am just 12th pass out, and on the basis of that, I have been teaching in school since 2020.
Okay, now I got it. So how long have you been practicing or speaking English?
I have been learning English since 2020.
Okay, 2020. Okay. So tell me something about your speaking English journey. When did you start that time? Did you face any problem to learn this language?
Yeah, when I started my journey, so at that time I felt a lot of disappointment. I was not even able to understand properly. But after working hard with the help of the Chandan sir, English with Chandan, I learned the English. And after that, in 2024, I got to know about this app, and since that time, I have been using this app.
Okay, that means you did take course for learning this language.
I have watched the videos, online videos. The Chandan sir has uploaded a lot of videos on their YouTube channel. From that channel, I have learned English grammar.
Okay, by only watching English video, you learn this language.
Yeah, by watching.
Okay, so are you from India?
Yeah, I am from India.
Okay, so at your school, which language do you use to teach your student?
I teach Hindi medium. I use try to speak in Hindi medium there.
Okay, so which grade student do you teach?
To 10th classes students I teach in school.
Okay, so which part of India do you live?
I am living right now in Haryana.
So how long have you been using this platform for learning English?
I have been using this app since 2024 January.
2024 January.
Yeah.
Okay, so it has been 1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you practice your speaking English every day in this platform?
Yeah, I try to speak each and every day, but for me it's not possible. But I try to manage whenever I have a time. So at the time, I always try to comment so that I could talk with someone.
Okay. So how many hours you have to give at your school?
In the school, I give almost 6 hours each and every day, 5 to 6 hours.
Okay, so you have to spend there 6 hours. So why don't you get time?
After coming from school, I have just 1.5 hours coming from school, I take little bit nap, and after that 3 o'clock to 6:30 o'clock, I teach students, and once again 6:30 o'clock to 8 o'clock I have time. After that, once again I have to go to teach nearby coaching. There I teach spoken classes 8 to 9 o'clock.
Okay, you have spoken class.
Yeah, there I teach English speaking classes 9 to 10, 8 to 9 o'clock at night, and after that 9 to 10 o'clock I teach English math subject.
Okay, that's really nice. So, how do you think spoken English teaching is also helpful for learning speaking English?
Yeah, teaching is the profession. No matter whatever thing you are teaching, so at that time you learn a lot of things. And by the way, I am teaching spoken classes, so it also helps in me to improve my English.
Okay. So, what's your future plan? Do you want to another job in your future?
No, I want to be the best teacher of the English. Okay, so whatever thing is important for that, I always try to follow.
Okay, that's nice. So, have you ever been to come in Bangladesh? I'm from Bangladesh.
No, I haven't been to Bangladesh.
Okay. So, how many state have you visited in India?
I have just visited two states. I am born in the Bihar, and I am living right now in Haryana. So I have visited only two states.
So, you grown in Bihar, and right now you are living in Haryana.
Yeah.
So, why did you moved in Haryana?
It's because of the job purpose. It's because of the education. I have completed my education from here, and now also I am working as a teacher here. So in the Bihar, it is not so much developed area where we are living. We used to live there. There that is not so much developed. So that's why we have come here in the Haryana, and all the thing I have done in the Haryana.
Okay. So, you whole family live in Haryana?
Yes, with full family we are living in Haryana.
Okay. So, if you don't mind, are you married or single?
No, I am not married right now.
Okay. So, how old are you?
Basically, I am 28 years old.
28 years old. Okay. So, tell me something about your family, if you don't mind, if you have no problem.
Yeah, we are four siblings. One of my sister got married, and one of my sister is doing the DLED for getting the government job for the teaching profession, and I am also doing as a teacher job. And my one of my brother is working in the factory, and my father is auto driver. My mother also works in the factory. So that's all about me.
Okay. So, everyone stay busy with their life whole day.
Yeah, yeah. Each and every person are busy. Each and every person are doing their job for the survival.
Right now, are you at your home?
Yeah, right now I am at my home.
Okay. So, maybe your sister is shouting.
Yeah,
Okay. So, do you have any plan in future traveling out of your country?
basically my plan is not like that. I don't want to go anywhere. Because I love India. I love the state where right now I am living, and I am just enjoying each and every day. As I said to you that I am just learning each and every day and earning also. So I just love. And what do you think about yourself?
Yeah, in future I will definitely visit whole all over the world. And if I get chance first, I want to visit India and then other country. And I'm learning this language. The only reason is for my traveling, and in future I want to freelancing. So this is the reason behind learning speaking English.
Okay, so I think that you are doing your graduation. Is it?
No, I'm doing my graduation. I'm student of honors first year,
So from which field are you doing your honors, in which field?
and my subject is political science.
Political science.
Political science.
So whether it is in English medium or like Bangladeshi medium, Bangla medium.
Yeah, it's Bangla medium. I'm
Okay.
student of national university, not public university. That's why it's Bangla mediums.
Okay.
So
So what?
do you have?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
tell
what do
me.
you think? Yeah, I'm just asking that. What do you think after doing your BA honors in political science? Are you able to get any job?
Actually, right now I'm doing a job. I'm doing a part-time job at a school as English teacher, like you. And after graduation, actually, I don't have any plan to do job in future after graduation. And in future, I want to do freelancing. And this is my actual plan after graduation.
So when did you start your journey of English? Since you
Okay.
are from the Bangla medium, so it would be also you must have faced a lot of difficulties while learning English.
Yeah, actually, I started to learn this language for September 2024. Now it has been September, October, November. It has been 4 months. I have been learning this language. Yeah, and before 4 months, I couldn't able to speak 2 or 3 sentences in English. After practicing 4 months, now I can able to speak a little bit of English. I can make conversation. I can express my feeling. I can explain everything in English. And when I was beginner at that time, I watched so many video in English. I watched English conversation, English related content, and every day I practice with myself. And every day I wrote something on my note. In this way, I learned this language.
So within 4 months, if you are capable to speak good English, I could say about that you are speaking quite good English. So I think that within 1 year you will be very good.
Yeah, and even I didn't take any course to learn this language. And is it possible by only spending more time? And in this 4 month, I spent maximum time spent behind this language. I don't waste my time. That's why I'm able to speak in English.
So average how
And
many hours? Average how many hours did you give for learning English?
actually started my speaking journey before 4 months. I used to watch English movie, English contents, and in this 4 month, I started to learn speaking. Okay, and before 4 month, my grammar was clear, and my listening skill also clear. So my speaking skills wasn't clear. That's why before 4 months I started to speaking.